Good morning. I am Nikhil Jekala. My assessment title is Combating AI-driven cyber threats by implementing an adaptive cybersecurity framework in the enterprises. In this slide, I'm going to give an overview about my assessment. As the business rapidly adapt AI, automation, and cloud technologies, the cyber attack surface have grown drastically. Unfortunately, these AI-powered attacks have become more smarter, capable of learning and adapting and bypassing the traditional security systems. This presentation introduces an adaptive cybersecurity management framework, which has a proactive AI-driven module that strengthens the enterprise's security through continuous learning, automation, and zero trust policies. In this slide, I'm going to talk about the problems faced by the enterprises. Okay, the main issue is that traditionally rule-based cybersecurity systems can't handle the adaptive AI-based attacks. The attacks now use AI to mimic the normal user uh, behavior and evolve in real time and exploit the system vulnerabilities faster than the human can respond. This creates financial, reputational, and operational risk for the organization. So, cybersecurity must shift from reactive approach to intelligent, self-learning, defensive module capable of adapting in real time and detecting the threat and responding to it. So, moving to this slide, I'm going to talk about the solution for the problem. The proposed solution is Adaptive Cybersecurity Management Framework, that is AAFC, which integrates AI, machine learning, automation, and the most important zero trust policies. Unlike the traditional static devices, AACF continuously monitors, analyzes system activities, and predicts threats and responds automatically to minimize damage. Its benefits include real-time threats prediction and response, automatic incident handling, and continuous authorization and analyzing behavior of the users, which makes the enterprises more secure, proactive, adaptive, and resilient to the threats. So, in this slide, I am going to explain about the framework components of AACF. The AACF operates through four key components. The first one is predictive threat int- intelligence. It uses AI to identify the emerging threats before they strike. The second one is autonomous incident response. It also uses AI to resolve and isolate the real-time incidents and problems. The third one is behavior analysis engine. Uh, Uses deep learning to detect inside threats and user activities. The fourth one is zero trust security, the most important one. It continuously verifies users and devices and removes impedance trust. Together, these elements create an ecosystem of anticipation, detection, and rapid recovery. In this slide, I'm going to explain you about the project plan. The implementation occurs in four phases over 10 months. In the first phase, the risk assessment is done and the governance alignment is taken. The second phase, the AI module is designed and the plot is tested. In the third phase, it is integrated with the existing systems and the staff is given the training to use the systems. In the fourth phase, we continually monitor, retain, and optimize the system. This phaser approach ensures both technical integration and workforce readiness, so the organization can work effectively. In this slide, we are going to talk about the obstacles which we face during the implementation of the framework. The AFC faces few challenges such as the data quality and legacy system compatibility. And the second obstacle is integration and the cost constraints. The third obstacle is ethical governance for AI transparency and fairness. So to address these the organization should establish a strong governance, invest heavily in quality data, and provide ethical and auditable AI practices to all their employees. In this slide, I'm going to talk about critical success factor for implementation of the framework. The success implementation relies on the leadership support and strategic alignment, which means uh, the leadership to treat cybersecurity as a strategic enabler, and it should also provide adequate funding to develop AI infrastructure. And the workforce should be continuously trained and encouraged to develop AI and data driven security skills. The collaboration between the IT compliancy and the management should be must. The ethical and regulational compliancy, which includes the framework should meet the standards of iOS and GDPR. Success mostly depends upon the right mix of the technology and people and governance. I want to conclude by saying that the AI has transformed both sides of cybersecurity, empowering the defenses and also aiming attacks. The adaptive cybersecurity management framework offers an strategical solution by merging AI, automation, and zero trust to detect and counter attack threats in real time. With strong leadership, investment, and ethical oversight, the enterprises can achieve sustainable resilience and protect their operations involving in the digital world. Thank you for listening. So in this slide, I'm providing the reference and the referent links from which I have collected the data and prepared this module based out of it. Thank you.